Okay, I have been trying the newest method you said to try. I connected with the hotspot. Come here. Okay, so the hotspot is connected. Okay, move back. And then what I did was I used my computer, which is what I have the Flash Forge on, and I connected to Adventure 5M over here. All right, so it is connected to the Adventure 5M. Okay, and it shows this offline. Okay, then I go and add the printer, and now it shows connecting. It wasn't doing that before, so now you think, okay, it should be connected, right? It's showing here and everything. Then I go to prepare, and I go to print plate over here. But as soon as I print plate, it comes up, no printer connected. Please connect first. So I go back to device. Oops, let me get rid of the pop-up. Go back to the device, and I try it again. Add the printer. Shows that it's connecting. Okay, it's in there. Go to prepare. Print plate. And I get the same thing again. All right? It keeps doing that, even though it shows that it's trying to connect. Okay, now tell me what's wrong.